I was told that the Polish government made a pact with the Soviet Union to free Polish citizens, but they weren't free to go anywhere. They were restricted to certain areas. So my parents chose Uzbekistan. Then my father had to support the family, so he started to make slippers, tapichkas, he called them. And these are things that he made once in a while in the house just to show me that he made this in the old days. And then my mother had to go out and sell them. So she was out in the black market, and she got caught. And it was around...
Because Jews weren't allowed to sell merchandise?
She had no documentation. She was totally, yes, they weren't allowed. She wasn't licensed to sell. And she was imprisoned for a year. During that year she was in prison, that's when my aunt died, at that period of time. And
was that her sister or
no,
your father's sister?
My father's sister. And so she went into prison. A woman asked her, the guards, I think the people in charge, said, "Do you know how to knit?" And she didn't know how to knit. So, but the woman next to her poked her and said, "Say yes. I will teach you, and we will do it together." And every day, all day long, they sat and they knitted. They had to produce a sweater a day.
Together, one sweater?
No,
or
each of them one sweater. But that was her task. So she, she always talked about that. And she talked about how, that woman kind of saved her, she felt, because otherwise, who knows what she would have had to be asked to do.